Welcome to another video, guys. We are starting the day off at Michael's because supposedly there is some $5 grab bags, but they also have other clearance here. They got a bunch of Cricut stuff. These are really cool vinyls, dude. I never thought about putting them on headphones and stuff. I don't know, guys, but let's go see if we can find what we're looking for. Found a swag bag.
I can't even speak. 3 for $10?
3 for $10, guys.
Good.
Regularly what? $6 a piece?
Ooh, smell that. It smells like fall.
Can't smell it. Have a mask on like a good boy. That's not bad though, guys. I got a bunch of pumpkin pie candles and what else, babe?
This one?
Frosty air. I don't know. I'm gonna go find what I need because I'm scared other people are gonna take it. Guys, we are on a mission. They were sold out and we found one. It's 7 miles away though, and she's like, we can't hold it. First come, first service right at the front door. So I don't know.
Sucks because I wanted to go into a store right here to get Ellie more tutus, and it's like a discount store. We have to rush, but we did get lucky with those candles. 3 candles for $10.
Morning. Can you just hold it real quick? Hold it, hurry. Okay, start looking.
It's okay.
Okay, real talk, that hurt my knees. We just secured 2, and then she said if you hold on a second, she's bringing more.
Can you go grab a different car?
Well, guys, we have secured 4 boxes for 20 bucks. All the summer stuff is ringing up so cheap. This baseball bat, we have 2 of them, is only 59 cents. All this stuff, the football, 29 cents. All of the stuff that's in there is just so cheap, dude. Jasmine found stuff for 9 cents.
Yeah, I don't know. Thank God. Shout out to that lady who told me.
How much is that?
99 cents.
Guys, 99 cents for sand art.
Yeah, that's right.
Go get more, dude.
49 cents?
50 cents, dude? 39.
I'm going to get more.
Wow. 79 cents for a color your own backpack. Regularly $8, dude. Wow. All of this colored sand, guys, is regularly $5. It's ringing up for 50 cents. So we are home now, guys, and we are gonna jump into the boxes, but I'm gonna show you guys all of the little things that we found there and then tell you guys the price, so check it out. So everything that you guys seen was only $29. So we got a ton of stuff. We're gonna go to the beach soon. This is perfect to take with us, but it's time to get into these boxes.
I'm so excited for these.
Oh, yay.
Gosh.
Oh, wow. These are regularly $60, Jasmine.
Are these for like funerals?
I don't know, but look at this, guys. They're full bouquets or bouquets, however you want to say it. But they're actually really nice. Like really, really nice. $60 regularly. And we got how many of them?
Well, there's a few other. Oh, I like that. Get this out of here.
We got 4 of these.
These smaller ones are $24.99.
Oh yeah, they just have a blue bow, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we got those.
Okay, but this makes me excited. Look at how cute these are.
Oh wow.
Right?
Those are so pretty, guys. Look at this.
We got 2 of those. It does say Hello Spring, but
We could always paint over it.
it's a sticker. We can
Oh, it
pull
is a
off.
sticker. We could just pull it off. And then it has like tulips.
Dude, how cute are these, huh?
So we got 2 of those, and those are regularly
$50.
it's $100 right here, plus those.
And then the last thing is this one.
Oh, the tulips are different on the second one. They're a lighter pink.
The last thing is these tulips and this little, what is this? Container? I don't know. And then it has a little butterfly in it. That's $40. Like, you guys, this is an expensive box.
Oh my gosh, it's only focusing on my face. There it is. Look it, guys. It's actually really pretty.
Yeah, those are pretty. We could even change the flowers.
I really like, yeah, I like these. We could take them out
Mm-hmm.
and put them somewhere else if we want to.
We
But
could use them for like, we could put like fall flowers in there for now. So that's okay. All right, let's see.
oh my gosh. So,
No.
oh wait, there's a box.
What is it?
Okay, let's leave it for the end. So first off,
Some more.
got more of these.
Honestly, is it mean to put fake flowers for funerals?
So many, but we have a, oh, what is that? Oh, same thing.
So many.
What's down there?
Oh, that's cute. Ellie will love that.
It's like one of those, well, I don't even know what you call them.
I don't know, little light up one.
Guys, oh
Because I
my gosh. There's a mound of them. I don't know what this is yet. Oh!
Oh, there's 6 little lanterns. 6 paper lanterns. It says they're red, white, and blue.
They just look red.
Yeah, maybe the light's blue inside. That's cute. I like that.
We could probably put that in our backyard, maybe.
Yeah. Oh. No. I don't even want to grab the other box, guys.
Oh, this was 20 bucks regularly.
What are we gonna do with all
Jasmine.
these American
Maybe we
flowers?
can go. Maybe we can go to like a funeral or a cemetery and put them in people's that.
I don't think that's respectful.
Or maybe just donate them to somebody that.
Yeah. This box is a little bit heavier than all
Is
the
this the
other
last
boxes.
box?
No.
Okay, there we go.
So maybe we got something. Oh my god.
Dude. Well, we got plates.
Yeah, we got. A lot
So far, we got 4 stacks of. Okay. Oh well, we could use these though.
Yeah, we could use these.
So many plates,
Oh my God.
napkins.
Oh, what is this? Here, take that.
Look at this,
Basically, we got 4th of July boxes.
dude.
Get off these out of here.
It was heavy because of the plates.
Does anybody want these? Do y'all need some American flowers? I can ship them to you. Oh, this is cool. We can give that to Zay.
There's some light up glasses.
All right. What else we got here? We have this Hello Spring wreath, little wreath.
What is it? Like a felt wreath?
Yeah.
That was regularly $5.
Another napkin.
We'll use those. At least we have. Like,
Yeah.
At least all the plates we'll use
We got like these little bike plates.
to dress up your bike, bro. Really? Who does this? Who dresses up their
Another
bike?
patriotic banner.
What does this one say?
I don't know. It's like little ice.
Oh, it's a bomb pop.
And another one.
Identical.
I guess these are all to decorate your bike.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
I don't know.
What are these, streamers?
Oh my god, what is this?
Okay, so far this has been the worst one we've ever done.
What are we gonna do with balloons that say USA? Sorry. What the hell?
So we're in Arizona, guys, so we can actually just pretend they're ASU
Yeah.
and then pop them all because I'm not an ASU fan.
You know, we could save some of this stuff for 4th of July next year, I guess.
Well, that was a massive letdown, dude.
Bro, can they
I don't think
see
they can
this?
see this. Guys.
Oh no, there's more.
Oh, we have another box?
Yeah, it's nothing but these.
Guys, look at this, dude. There's, oh my God.
What a joke. That lady knew what she was doing, man. She let us.
She literally said, oh, here's 2 more boxes.
She let us spend $5, $10, $15, $20 on American flowers.
What if we take out like the whites?
Yeah.
The whites and like mix them out.
Another one.
Oh my God.
Another one. This is cute. I'm so excited. I
Oh.
love these. These make me happy.
We could like switch them.
Oh look,
Oh, okay.
fake ones. Another one. These are cute. I can put those in that thing right there.
Okay, this box so far was worth it.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Well, that's
These
it.
can be used.
And then we got ourselves some more America
Oh, those ones are
lanterns.
starred ones.
And then one more.
More star ones.
And that's it.
Oh my gosh.
So basically we got ourselves a bunch of patriotic flowers. But I will say I'm happy with the lanterns, the papers, the plates.
Can you do?
I mean,
Can we do something? Can I lay on the floor and just surround me with these for an Instagram picture? What if I do it naked?
No.
Ow.
I don't even want to do this.
Surround me, my love. Come on. I feel like an Olympian.
The fact that we have enough to cover you is bull.
Do I look funny? You didn't want to do it.
I don't. Put that in your mouth.
Oh yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do with all these, but we'll figure it out. Maybe we can make some cool arrangements for our front yard. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any signs for your house, I made that sign for Jasmine. It's not my best work, but
It is. He has more signs too that he's made for me that he has to hang up.
ton of signs, guys. So if you guys are interested in ordering one, let me know. Shoot me an email. The links are gonna be in the description for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and come back for more videos.
If
Make
you
sure-
want these flowers, let me know. We'll ship them.
We're gonna figure something out. Let us know if you guys have any ideas for those flowers. I was literally thinking
Or
about
if you want
separating.
them.
What if we separate them? You know what I mean? We'll take some of the flowers because there's, I don't know. We got to look at it. So, all right, guys. We'll see you guys later. Take care.